Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete watched video history on Facebook. If you want to do, first of all you have to go Facebook application. You can see this is my Facebook app. Next, just click on it. Right now you can find here such kind of interface in your Facebook application. Next, at the top of the side you can find here three dot line. So just click on three dot line. Next, scroll down and you can find here settings and privacy, so just click on it. Next, you can find here settings, so just click on settings. Right now just scroll down and you can find here activity log, so just click on it. It's loading. Right now you can find here at the top of the left side filter, so just click on filter, and at the bottom of the side you can find here categories, so just click on categories. Next, you can find here a number of options, but at the bottom of the side you can find here logged action and other activities, so just click on it and scroll down. So guys, before going to the process, I'm gonna ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. And you can find here that is videos you have watched, so just click on it. And you can see here the 1st January I watched this video. Right now I don't wanna clear all this video history together. I have to do it one by one. So how you can do this? You can find here three dot line, so just click on three dot line. Next, at the bottom of the side you can find here delete option, so just click on delete. Right now this video is deleted.